OnePlus has something very special for the year 2019. The company has brought a lot of changes to this iteration, and by looking at the latest smartphone trends, I'm not expecting any marginal upgrade for the next flagship phone. The history of OnePlus is all about changes with time, and that's why we have an impressive inclining graph for this series. Coming to the point, the OnePlus 7 has finally made its first appearance. The picture comes out of China, and as you can see, we have a never seen OnePlus device alongside the 6T. Most of the leakers believe that this should be the OnePlus 7 in an anti-leak case. This information seems to be true, as an alert slider is placed on the right side of this phone. Also, there's currently no smartphone with such a long earpiece. If you just look at that earpiece, you'll come to know about the top bezel, which appears to be a slim adjustment. Now, when we talk about the front camera placement, I think there should be a slider mechanism for the OnePlus 7, as the case itself shows cutouts for camera and sensors. It shouldn't come as a surprise to you, as Oppo and Vivo are involved in the same zone for a long time, and OnePlus is like a mirror image of Oppo. I mean, just look at these phones. They share the same design with different specs and pricing. But again, a slider mechanism is not a right move, as having moving parts on a smartphone makes it unstable and expensive. The best version of this leak could be the OnePlus 7 5G variant, as it's gonna have a higher price tag and a small market. According to Ice Universe, the OnePlus 7 will mark a crazy upgrade. To give an early idea, he posted a screenshot of this storage benchmark, which looks impressive. The new UFS 3.0 storage leaves behind the current 2.1 by a huge gap and promises to be twice as fast. With a bundle of new upgrades, the OnePlus 7 will surely offer a great price to performance ratio. And yeah, the OnePlus 7 is on the road, and to get a proper design confirmation, we have to wait for an official statement. For now, take this leak as a pinch of salt, and to receive daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.